real smart right now. Because I would have done the same damn thing.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Full-size mattress bag. Full-size mattress bag. Yeah. Thank you. You too.
How you doing?
Good. Please excuse this partition here.
I hope this thing goes away fast. The Aldi's like 2 blocks down barely had anything, and then Shop and Shop had they had more things than Aldi's though, but they had no water, no toilet paper, no sanitizers.
Wow.
Not that much chicken, no steak. Sanitizer is like out of stock everywhere.
Yeah.
Amazon has it for like double the price, but you get to wait like almost a month to get it.
Wow.
Yeah. I'm a cook, so it's like it's hard for me to find a job right now because I'm a cook.
Oh shit.
Yeah. I work in a and my whole company shut down. There's a whole company called and they own about 5 or 6 restaurants, a couple of retail stores, and they shut all that down. Yeah, I had to call my the management of my apartment to find out about rent because I don't know. Even if I get like a part-time job, I don't know how long that would last too, you know? And a lot of companies are not hiring me now.
Best of luck, man.
Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I only see this on like IG or Facebook. I never seen this live, which is crazy right here. Yeah.
Yeah, I just did it. All right, take care.
Stay safe.
Hello.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Can't complain.
That's good. Yeah, please excuse the partition here. Gotta do what I gotta do.
I know, I understand. Technically, that'll help you though. It's an airborne virus, so any pockets of air that's missing, you're going to get caught. My mom broke down the virus to me because she's a nurse.
Oh yeah?
They got one in the hospital. That's to wear this crazy hazmat suit. But it's probably nice to be able to like stay home for a day.
Oh yeah?
Most of the time, I work 2 jobs, so like I go from this job to another job.
Are you able to work from home or is it?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Like I always wanted to do music, but like the way how the economy fluctuates, and I don't do like normal stuff. I like stuff that talks to like your life. I remember like Lauryn Hill stuff. It's like a forgotten art nowadays. Nobody likes to storytell anymore.
So, do you have any songs that you already made?
Yeah. I mean, I can rap one to you.
Really?
Yeah. I know them by heart.
Let's do it.
You ain't white, me how the world works. Only here for the perks. How you twerk, classify me as a jerk. My aim's to get under skirt. Wasting time flirting. Your destiny uncertain. One night stand for the moment, part time, nothing further. Commitment, murder. For me, unheard of. Butter you up enough until you call my bluff. Beat around the bush until you had enough. On to the next, no regrets, unpaid debts. Expect more, serve less. Nothing heavy on my chest, destroy your thought.
You know, I'm actually working on a YouTube channel. I have around 20,000 subscribers. If I could feature you in a video and throw you a shout out, would you mind?
When the T soul,
Alright, cool.
it's in your eyes. It's in your eyes.
Take care, thank you.
When the T soul found in your eyes, you slowly die every time you compromise. When the T soul found in your eyes, you slowly die every time you compromise. Getting caught up in this, that, or whatever, man. Stop wasting time and get yourself together. When the T soul found in your eyes, you slowly die every time you compromise. A life unfulfilled is waiting to die. See it daily. When I open my eyes, living out exist.